going to be a lot of you who go, well, what if I'm not ready to see the spirit world? If you're not ready to see the spirit world, you shouldn't be doing readings. Like, seriously, because the problem is mediumship is beautiful, it's magical, but it can also, if you don't fully understand the beast and you don't know how to harness it, it's going to lead you down a garden path. It's going to become so difficult for you. It's going to become very scary for you very, very quick, because you've been conditioned by mankind to believe that there's no such thing as spirits. You've been conditioned to believe that there is no such thing as energy. There's no such... Listen, you're going to have people from a scientific background, right, who are going to tell you all of these different things and how this person's wrong and that person's wrong and they don't know what they're talking about. But to each and every one of you who follow this channel, don't argue it. Let your actions speak louder than words. Let your evidence be that beacon of light in the darkened abyss of mankind's unfortunate ideologies. Because that's exactly what it is. Listen, we're up against mankind. Mankind, they have these notions, these theories, and they have to be right. The problem is and I love it when this happens. I love it when I get a skeptic and I do a reading for them, or I show them the spirit world firsthand, or I channel energy through them and I help them to see the spirit world. And I just love the look on their face when they come back to me and they're like, oh my God, they're crying and they can't believe what's happened, because for the entirety of their life, they've put themselves into the box that society has told them to go in. Never once have they stepped out of it. Never once have they fought for themselves. If you did enjoy this video, why don't you consider smashing that like button, subscribing to the channel and putting the notification bell on so you don't miss out on any future content. Also, as you can see here, look at the playlists on the platform. We have a playlist that is dedicated to psychic medium development. We also have another one that is dedicated for you short lovers out there who just love that short form content. And we also have the paranormal playlist. If you did enjoy this video, check out the videos pinned at the top left and right, and I'll see you in the next one.